Huh, it's not picking anything up except just white light. There we go. Alright, so these are the really big waves that are knocking this boat around like crazy right now. This is through my porthole that we're looking at on the deck 4. So you can see how far down these swells are going up, going down. I'm afraid this camera's not doing it quite the justice it should be. And here we go. We're going to go underneath it again. Oh, nope, not quite. Ooh, okay, we're being lifted really high now, or at least it feels that way. And let's see how high the wave gets above. Those have got to be at least 40-foot waves that we're looking at right now. That's amazing. And here it comes in. And back above the wave. I have no idea how this ship is not tipping over, but this is amazing. Oh, and my window's leaking, so there's that too. Holy shit!
Oh, this is alright. This is getting dangerous.
Yeah. Alright, I got it.